How to connect Spotify to Discord. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to connect your Spotify to Discord, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. What I'm going to do first is to head into my Discord application on my computer. Then when I'm in here, I need to click right here where it says user settings. After that, I'm going to click where it says connections. In here, you can see that there's a bunch of integration that you can choose from, but the one that I need to pick in this case is the Spotify right here. What will happen after that is that you will have to log into your Spotify account, and after you have done that, then you will see this page here, and that means that you have connected your Spotify to Discord successfully. Then you can go back into your Discord account and once again click on settings and then click on connections. Now you should be able to see your Spotify account in here. What you can do now is to choose if you want to display your Spotify on your profile or display it in your status. If you don't want to, you can just simply uncheck these two options right here. So this is exactly how to connect Spotify to Discord. If this helped you out, then I would appreciate if you could leave a like on this video, comment if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I'm doing these kind of helpful videos every day. Thank you for watching and have a great day.